This instructional video will show you how to lay out custom dovetails using the Dovetail Designer, an accessory included in Allpax heavy-duty gasket cutter kits. Let's get started. The Dovetail Designer features 3 dovetail sizes, 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and 2 inches wide. Center lines on each dovetail size assures accurate alignment on gasket material. On a piece of paper, lay out outer diameter, inner diameter, and pitch circle diameter. Locate bolt hole locations. Position template over a flat wooden surface or cutting board. Cut multiple arcs of gasket material with the desired outer and inner diameters. Be sure to overlap sufficient material to create the dovetail joint. Position overlaps away from bolt hole locations. As overlaps are made, tape down arcs to template on either side of overlap. Select the appropriate dovetail in the Dovetail Designer and outline with pencil. Cut along outline with utility knife. Top and bottom gasket materials will now have mating dovetails. Tape dovetail joints together for easy handling while completing the gasket. If arcs are significantly wider than single dovetail, consider multiple side-by-side dovetails per joint. Alternatively, use Allpax dovetail punches to cut dovetails. See our Dovetail Punches video for more information. You're now equipped to lay out custom dovetails using the Dovetail Designer.